In terms of cheating, we know, and I want to repeat once again, the headquarters of cheating is Ebania, Migori, and Kisii. I am telling you, they are planning to do certain things, and we are watching them. Wewe ujaribu utaona. You try and you will see. But having said so, first of all, I want to wish all our children, on behalf of His Excellency the President and the entire government of the Republic, we wish them well. And to reassert again that there is no need to be afraid because we are going to examine them, remembering that they were out of school for 9 months. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, this mask, who has a free mask? Hotel, do you have another mask I want to show here? Anybody with a mask? Nionyeshe wananchi vile wanadanganya. This hotel should retire. Thank you. Hii ni mask. Eh? There are some people cheating the children to write everything inside here. So I'm going to ask all the center managers and the people there that every child must remove his or her mask before they enter the classroom. So let no child waste his or her time writing something inside the mask. The mask is supposed to protect you from corona, which is available. Are we together here? I hope that has gone well, because if we catch you, we are not going to be very merciful with you, because we have already told you all that we require is what you have. What you have in your brain is good enough for us.